Theta truly token in every practical sense is a low-position digital money right now estimated at $0.897335 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $897,334,909 versus the generally thought. Over the past sort of couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out an exceptionally impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex. Showing how Theta truly token for the most part is a low-position digital currency right now estimated at $0.897335 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $897,334,909, which truly is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even sort of consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which really is very huge. Retail financial backers and merchants generally are really keen on digital currencies in every practical sense. For example, Theta, since this for the most part is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources for the most part have the sort of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat beautiful brief timeframe in an unobtrusive manner. These profits especially are really impossible in truly different business sectors, which certainly is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token. While the groundbreaking ones essentially dedicate a huge part of their truly cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which is very critical. At this in every practical sense, specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta especially token to the level at $0.897335 where it at present sits, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Theta fundamentally is a low-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 51st spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization generally remains at $897,334,909. The significance of this boundary will be explicitly made sense of later in an especially significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in sort of such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily generally evaluate the condition of their portfolio, and in every practical sense, conclude whether its sort of requirements to all things considered be reconfigured, which shows that these profits fundamentally are in every way that really matters, unreachable in lovely different business sectors, which truly is the justification for why undoubtedly moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token. While the groundbreaking ones sort of dedicate a huge piece of their for the most part cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which fundamentally is essentially imperative for the truly right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its in every practical sense, present and future course, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Beneath you will especially find sort of key selections of this authentic information with the goal that you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Theta pretty symbolic market basically is going, or so they thought. Yesterday, on November 17, Theta in a real sense was esteemed at $0.938978 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Essentially recall that digital currencies in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period for the most part added up to 6.62%. 7 days prior, on November 11, Theta genuinely token sort of was exchanged at $1.035896 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its kind of present position, showing that 7 days prior, on November 11. Theta truly token especially was exchanged at $1.035896 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that truly near its current position, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. On October 18, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.585869, the cost level that certainly is at the distance of 53.16% from where it at present stands, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX really are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization especially is another significant fundamentally metric that essentially assists traders with essentially deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, or so they thought. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Theta truly token explicitly holds inside the really whole digital money market, which in a real sense is very huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization really is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the money being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its in every way that really matters, current cost in a very enormous way. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta especially remains at $897,334,909, enough to name it the 51st in every way that really matters, biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, versus the explicitly thought. Yesterday, on November 17, the market capitalization of Theta truly token remained at $938,978,102 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on November 11, the capitalization of Theta generally was $1,035,896,434, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on October 18, how much kind of capital streaming around this kind of specific market truly added up to $585,869,489, showing it's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Theta truly token generally holds inside the truly whole cryptographic money market in a significant manner. Most digital money financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain cryptographic money and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which generally are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. Exhibiting how the equation for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to basically is duplicated by its especially current cost, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The sort of greatest stockpile of Theta truly token truly is 100,000,000 Theta. The kind of absolute inventory of Theta as of now most certainly remains at 100,000,000 coins, which especially is very huge. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under audit generally is 100,000,000 Theta, or so they especially thought. This Theta in every practical sense, token cost expectation wouldn't in every practical sense be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to explicitly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reason